Rua da Colina. This looks kind of interesting. Give you a little context, we're on Rua do Campo right here, which is kind of a main road. And we're gonna go up this little street, up that way. Stay tuned.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are, Rua da Colina. And then this is kind of our street that we're gonna focus on. So this is at Rua do Campo right here, that main street. And we're gonna be walking up that way. So kind of cool camera angles. And it's kind of a rainy day, so a lot of people have their umbrellas, as you can see. And we're gonna walk straight up that hill on Rua da Colina on this rainy day. And Forever Bright Human Resources Center. So I guess that one's for, I think that's predominantly, oh, this is this is a Portuguese restaurant right here. Chinese restaurant. So I think that one is a human resources one for, usually it's like overseas workers a lot of times. This is kind of a cool little street right in here. Nice and photogenic. That's a supermercado down that way. That looks pretty cool too. It's really nice. Just kind of take a glimpse of this whole little area. So we're gonna keep on walking down that street. Yeah, that looks really nice. Everything looks cool down this way. Can't tell if I got another raindrop on here or not. But we're gonna walk straight up, keep going. But I just want to capture some of the beauty of some of these streets. That's nice. That looks pretty cool too. Yeah, this is real nice in here. So we're just gonna try to capture. Look at that, that looks so cool. So we're gonna keep on going. So this is Rua da Colina. And you got all the stuff you can, okay, let's keep on going on up. Got more cool stuff everywhere around here. Huh. Rua da Colina. Rua da Colina. Keep on walking on up. Actually, the other side of the street looks better because there's no cars. That side, I don't really like walking next to the cars. Here's a little Macao Street. There's a Mercado. Mercado is like the supermarket. Not supermarket, but like a marketplace with fresh fruits and vegetables. Recipe? Wow. The beauty center. That looks kind of interesting up there too. Rua da Colina. So the street. We're coming up on a temple in this alley right here, Rua da Cal. It's a cool little alley. And there's our temple right there. Kind of tempted to go down one of these alleys in another video. Might do that, but I gotta get up to the top first. And there's our street, Rua da Colina. Cool artwork in here. Oh, that's a nice looking street. And that's a nice looking over. You got some giant windows up there too. Oh, that looks cool. Looks really cool. So okay, so this is Rua da Colina. And this, I really like the way that this apartment goes all the way up to, dang, rooftops all the way to the top as well. And that's our focus here. And this is kind of where we're at as far as the other street that goes. And then right over there is Lisboa. straight ahead, you can see Grand Lisboa Casino. We're basically like right there. Okay. And I'm tempted. I don't know if I should go down that alley or the other way. But that's our street right here. So let's just make sure we focus on that. And then we'll end it with that as our focus. It's cool. Okay, so there we go. That's our street right there. Rua da Colina. Rua da Colina. And we'll just end it with we'll just kind of watch everybody come by. Rua da Colina. There we go.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.